All right, 11.5, we are adding
and subtracting
and subtracting, yes, radicals.
Is this easier than the multiplying and dividing?
I like this. This to me is easier. There's not a lot of tricks, not a lot of this, that, and the other. It's just straightforward. So adding and subtracting is much better, in my opinion.
Oh.
You know, some people don't care about my opinion or agree with it. That's okay. All right. So you're not really, and you're all taking notes, you're not really adding and subtracting, but you are.
That is the most confusing instructions ever.
I'm going to show you. You're combining like terms. But really, it's like radicals. You are writing everything that I write. Are you writing it? Okay, I'm checking today. Okay, I'm checking today. All right, examples. Square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Are those the same radicand?
No.
No. Can't be combined. Not the same radicand. Bless you. So, you have to have the same radicand. For example, 4 times the square root of 3 plus 2 times the square root of 3. Are the radicands the same, Miranda? Yes, good job. So proud of you. They have the same radicand, so all you're doing is adding the outside number. And you get 6, because 4 plus 2 is 6, and the radicand stays the same.
So what you're saying, anything in the outside is what gets added if both radicands
That's right.
are the same.
That's right.
Okay.
Radicand stays same. Yes, New.
Like for the example of 5 plus 2, if the number is not prime, do you have to simplify it?
I'm getting there. Yes, we will be simplifying today. We will be simplifying. But that's not bad. It's really not bad. It's factor tree. It is what it is. It's from the beginning of the chapter. It's still, in my opinion, easier than the multiplying and the dividing. It's less steps. You don't have to sit there and say, well, what can we do with this? I mean, can we simplify it? Can we divide it? Da da da. It's you're not using as many brain cells. So steps. Step 1, you're going to simplify each radical. And then step 2, and we've been doing this all chapter long, you're going to combine like radicals. So step 1, simplify, then combine. That's it.
Those are
Ariel,
all
isn't
the
this
steps.
great?
Wait, those are all the steps.
Yes. So for example, I'll give you a long one. Square root of 45 plus square root of 18 minus square root of 5. I better see people writing it down.
Square root of 5.
Okay.
No like terms.
Okay, so do any of the radicals match? No.
No current, not current.
Which ones can be simplified?
The 1845.
Okay, these two can be simplified. Valeria, why can't this one be simplified?
Because it's
Thank you, Keith.
I didn't see anything.
Whatever.
What are you talking about?
Okay, yes, Valeria, it's already simplified. It's prime. That's right. You get that right. Yeah. Okay. It's hard to explain it sometimes. So these two are not simplified. So I'm going to come over here. Hold on. Okay. 45 and 18. I'm doing it. You are too. I don't care if you can do it in your head. You're doing it. That's right. I said so. All right. 5 times 9 gives us 45, and then we have 3 times 3. Now I'm going to write my prime factors down here for that one. What's my root, Valeria?
2.
Very good. My root is 2. So what am I circling, Valeria?
3's.
Very good, Valeria. What's my leftover, Valeria?
The 5.
Awesome. So I'm going to rewrite this. What goes on the outside?
3.
What goes on the inside?
5.
You are so good. Okay. 18. Miranda, I'm going to pick on you. What two numbers give me 18? All right. And then I have 2 times 3. So I'm going to write those out. What do I circle, Miranda? What's my leftover? And that's going to be for right here, plus, so how do I write it? Perfect. Now this one, Valeria so graciously said, is prime. It didn't need to be simplified anymore. So this one, we're just going to bring it on down. Minus square root of 5. Ariel.
Okay, so you can subtract the 3. How do I say it?
Well, can I combine all 3 of these terms? Oh no, Ariel, why not?
It's because the middle one is 2 without 5.
Bingo. So the middle one, the radicand, is 2, where these are 5. So she's correct. This one can't be combined with these. These have the same radicand, so they can be combined. So Ariel's correct. We're going to combine like terms. Now, New had asked, what if there's an outside number here, but no outside number here? Valeria's holding up number 1 because we can pretend that there's a 1 there. So then, Ariel, 3 minus 1 is?
2.
So we're just going to say 2 times square root of 5 plus 3 times square root of 2.
And that's your answer.
And that is your answer. So these two combine, and then we just bring that one down. That's it. Good job, Franz. Any questions? See, told y'all this wasn't bad. Y'all ready for more?
Book.
No. We're doing more notes.
Oh.
I don't have a ton of examples or anything. But you're writing each of them down. All right, -8 times the cubed root of 5 plus 9 times cubed root of 40 minus 2 times cube root of 135. That is big ugly.
There may not be a time when you can different roots, right?
No,
I wouldn't say big ugly.
No.
It's just.
they would not do that.
small.
And if they did, you couldn't combine them.
You said that says 135.
That's 135. You need to sit up close?
No.
Okay, just checking. All right, so my root is what, Morgan? Keith, don't tell her.
Well,
I didn't say anything the last time. I don't know what you're talking about.
I know.
There's gonna be mad
Whatever.
stuff.
I know what it is.
Okay.
It's just speaking stuff. It's 3.
Oh, good job. Okay, it's 3. The root is 3. Now, Keith, which ones need to be simplified? Okay, why can't this one be simplified, Keith?
Well, stop looking at me.
I have a right to look at my student. I'm asking you a question. Why can't this one be simplified? Valeria, do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, good
Why
job.
did you ask her? Like, you see, I feel like
Shh,
this
Keith,
one is
stop
doing
talking.
something.
Stop talking. Stop talking. I'm the only one that's allowed to talk. Okay, so this is prime. The radicand is prime, so we don't need to simplify it. We just leave it alone. But 40 and 135, we definitely need to do. All right, let's see. Franz, you do 40.
135.
No. You're doing 40.
8, 5,
8 times 5.
circle 5. 2 times 4. Circle 2. And 2 times 2. Circle both 2's.
Okay. I'm going to write out my prime factors. What do I circle? Franz?
3 here, 2.
Ah, you mean all 3 2's, right?
Yeah.
Why am I circling 3 and not 2?
Because it's cubed.
That's right, because the root is 3. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this one down. That's -8 root 5. And then this is going to be 2 square root of 5. Right?
Why 2? For the
Then
second
2 go on the outside.
one. No, but why 2 for the
There's
second
another
one?
Oh, and then the 9.
Yeah, so 10.
So, no, not
No,
10.
11.
Whoops. Let me do this.
11.
Wait a minute. What are you talking about?
18.
9. We got to bring that 9 down. It's on the outside times this 2, right?
18.
And then this 5 goes on the inside. Do y'all see that? Miss Rogers made a mistake.
Whoa.
I know, it's not a miracle. It happens often. Okay. So let's see. Morgan,
I thought that was
Yeah.
you want to do 135?
Okay. 5 times 27, and that's split into 3 times 9, and then 9 split into 3 times 3. So your triple is 3. And that goes on the outside, and you multiply that by 2.
You know what?
That gets you
About
6.
to knock you out, girl. Slow it down.
You're just mad because you slow.
Whatever. So then I got to bring down this 2,
Uh-huh.
and I'm multiplying that with
3.
3, and it's what's it?
5.
5.
That's your leftover. Oh yeah, you forgot your things.
Forgot my root.
Yes,
Checky things. All right.
See, Miss Roberts, that's what it's called.
I know.
We have dubbed it.
Checky things. 9 times 2 is 18. Cubed root of 5 minus 2 times 3 is 6. All right, so new. What can I combine? All of them, because all of them have the same radicand. So I have negative 8 and 18 is what, Ariel?
10.
And 10 minus 6 is what, Miranda? Y'all are so smart. And there's your answer.
Yay.
Let's do examples from the book. Any questions?
No, man.
Page 457.
454.
Oh, tomorrow's Pythagorean theorem.
454. Everyone there? Ariel, we are waiting for you to join us. One. Square root of 3 plus 5 times square root of 3. Valeria, tell me how to solve it.
Just add the outsiders and keep the one side the same.
Okay. So what do you get?
6 squared.
Where'd you get 6?
1 plus 5
Where's 1?
from it.
It's imaginary. She's correct. 6 times square root of what?
3.
Perfect. Any questions? Number 3. Square root of 3 plus 4 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Miranda. We're going to combine these right here. And what do I get?
2 times the square root of 3 plus 4 times the square root of 2.
Perfect.
This is so much easier.
Yes, it is.
Way
You
easier.
just jinxed it, right?
No, it's not bad. Any questions so
No
far?
one jinxed anything.
No, I mean, I told y'all, I preferred the adding and subtracting over the other.
Dividing was easier than this.
No.
What?
Dividing is easier.
I don't know what world you are in.
Dividing's just easier.
Well, it's easier for
That's
you.
great for you.
Well, I'm glad that you're making hundreds on all your papers.
You're so funny.
Oh, that's good.
9.
This one that wasn't even dividing though, so I don't even care.
I didn't say anything. I literally, everyone in here probably thought you made hundreds on all your papers, and then you go and
You're
That's
not funny.
true.
No, nobody thought that. Everybody knows she's being sarcastic.
I am never sarcastic.
That's a lie. You just
Okay, that's a
lied.
big lie. I can't
In
agree
a
with that.
church, bro, you just lied.
Keith, there's so many things you do wrong in this church. Let's not even go
Technically,
there.
everyone has lied at
Name
least
it. Name
once.
one thing I do that's
I'm
wrong.
recording, so you don't want that to happen. That's
Nah, do
incriminating
it.
evidence.
Tell all of YouTube. Tell
All
of
32
YouTube.
Okay.
subscribers to you.
Back to
You actually gained a
Yeah.
little subscribers.
Yeah, there's so much. Where do we begin, Keith?
Hey, Miss
Your
Rogers,
language,
Miss Rogers.
My
rules
language.
great.
What?
Miss
All right, let's go.
Rogers.
Shh, no, bronze. Which ones need to be simplified?
The 8.
There you go. The others don't need to be, right? Because the 2 is what, Valeria? Very good. Valeria's right. It's prime. Keith, do you agree with Valeria?
I'm not answering.
Okay, so 8 needs to be simplified. Well, we know this one.
Yeah. Oh, we all should.
Pretty soon, y'all are going to have these like memorized. Okay, so Franz, what do I circle?
The first two.
Okay, a pair, because our
Pair.
root is 2. So,
So
how do I rewrite this?
put it the 2 there, and then checky thing, and then
Radical sign.
Yeah, but and then 2.
Okay, now, what can I combine?
The both numbers.
These right here, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Because they have 2. But really, look what I have now. Can I combine all 3?
Excuse me.
Why can I combine all 3,
Because
Franz?
it has the same radicand.
That's right, it has the same radicand. So,
That's
Franz,
That's not on number 5.
I'm on number 9.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We're
Number 5
fine.
looks so similar.
Okay, so, Franz, why don't you do.
He said this not the right.
You just figured that
Yeah,
out.
Sophia and Chap are going to really miss this class. They're going to be sorry they're not
It's
here.
gonna
Where are
be- It's
they?
just gonna be the check mark thing, the radical sign,
Okay?
check mark thingy, and 2. That's
Because 2 and 3 is 5, minus 4 is 1. But we don't have to write the 1 on the outside. We can just write it like this.
I'm so sorry.
New.
I was on a different level.
For example, what if the
I mean, since Chap in here, go ahead and ask all your questions.
For example,
what if the 8 is 4 and it's turned into like a regular 2, like their square root of 4 is 2? How do you add that?
Okay, well, I mean, so the thing is it's not going to have the same radicand, so it would be separate.
Okay.
These two, okay, what she's saying is, what if this was 4? What if we had this and that and that? Okay? So this would be 2 plus all of this. Now, by rules of adding and subtracting radicals, these 2 would still be the only ones that we can combine because you have to have the same radicand. So it would be 2, minus 1 times square root of 2. Okay, good question. Chap and Sophia, do you understand that? Okay, y'all ready to move on?
You sound really dumb right now talking to us.
See? Right there, disrespectful. I mean, that goes against
Conduct
everything.
Conduct
I know, if he had a conduct folder, I'd be signing it right now.
Wait, he doesn't?
No. Okay, let's do one more and then I'm going to set y'all free. I think y'all got it. Franz, we're on number 11.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. 3.
This is a 3. Look in your book. We are on number 11.
Okay, I hear that.
Okay.
Like this.
Ariel, talk me through this. What's my root?
Root is 3.
Very good. Which one needs to be simplified?
54.
Bingo. What 2 numbers give me 54?
27?
Yes, ma'am. And 2, right?
Can you do a different one?
Yeah. Go
Well,
ahead.
Well, I was gonna say 95. But,
Okay, well, let's do
No,
hers and
just-
we'll do
I'm
no,
gonna
no,
say
Keith.
just fin-
I'm gonna answer your question.
just
All right,
see-
Ariel.
3 and 9. And then 3 and 3.
Okay, so we're gonna write our prime factors. Now, Keith had a very good question. Can we use 2 different numbers? And Keith, which 2 did you say? 9 and 5? Okay. That's not 9 and 5.
I'm gonna say
Okay.
No, we don't know what you mean.
No, yeah, you gotta be honest right here. Okay, so look. it'll give you the same thing. So really, when you're doing factor trees, it doesn't matter which ones you do, as long as you do them right, and you get the same ones. Okay, so I know it does look like a Christmas tree, doesn't it?
You just realized that?
No,
Christmas
we're
tree
just
like
getting
that.
distracted as usual. Ariel, what do I circle, dear?
The 3 threes.
The 3 threes. Why, Ariel? Why 3 of them and not 2?
That's the least 3.
You're correct. So here's my leftover. What do I now write for this?
You write 3 on the outside, and then you write 2 on the inside.
I wonder why it's called cube if it says
You add.
tree.
You add the numbers on the outside, so it would be 8.
Okay, Ariel is talking.
I'm sorry.
So it would be 8, and then the cube root of 2.
That's a big 3. So I messed up. Okay.
The cube has multiple sides.
Okay, it doesn't matter. We're not talking about that right now. Any questions? Do we understand? Do we understand?
Yes.
Do I need to do one more? You got it.
We got it.
Excellent. So let's do
1 through 12.
no, Franz. I get to choose. I went to college and got my degree. You have not gone there, so you don't get to choose.
No, this is a serious question. Don't you like not have to have a degree to teach in private school?
Depends on the private school.
You should have it.
I mean, it really
No,
depends.
but no. Like I was being serious.
No, he is. If you want to be credited, a school that's credited like through the state, then you need to have, degree and certified teachers.
Wait, so here we're allowed to have teachers that aren't actually teachers?
Oh no.
That's not a
We do have our teachers here either have to be degreed and certified or they're degreed and working on their certification to have it done. Public school does the same thing.
But that's like now. That doesn't have like a what to teach math.
What do you mean?
Like she's not like her major. I thought her major was like veterinary science or something.
Okay, but you can have a degree in science and math because she has to have all those math courses, right? And then you get your certification, which is a totally separate thing. You see what I'm saying? So you can have a degree in a lot of different things, but you still have to get certified to be able to teach all those different things. All right, hold on, y'all are getting distracted, and Chap and Sophia want to know what problems to do.
If
You don't have to be done. Please don't do like 20.
All right, you're gonna do 2 through 12 even,
Okay, so
and then 20 through, I'm gonna be nice and not go to 30, 28 even. No, I'm skipping 18 because it's a ridiculous problem. Okay, it's a tricky. Honors, 4 through 12 even, 20 through 28 even, and then 36. I really want y'all to do 37, but it's okay. This is all due Friday. Let's see. I don't have, y'all just took a quiz. I don't know when your test is going to be just yet, so we're going to just stop right there. Okay, Franz, one thing at a time, dear.